Are you ready for this?
No.
I said, are you ready for this?
Still no.
You can do this.
I don't want to do this.
Prasad, I need you to get your head in the game. I can't deliver every new product. I need your help.
Why can't I wear what you're wearing?
Come on, Prasad, that's my thing. Are you ready?
Ready? For what?
Training.
Who are you talking to?
Let's go. Prasad, you made it like 5 steps. How are we supposed to do a training montage if you're already tired?
What? What montage?
This one.
Why do you keep looking after no one?
Just crawl through like this.
Yeah, I'm not doing that, Ben.
Prasad!
No.
It is time. Slide. No, it's slide.
Oh.
No, not the pinky comes after the slide.
Okay, all right, okay. Let's try this. One,
One,
two.
No, pink. Oh my gosh.
Just snap it.
Okay.
Prasad?
Oh, hi, Mary.
You've been standing there for 10 minutes just staring.
What's he doing?
I have no idea.
What's he wearing, am I right? It's like he's a Ravens cheerleader.
I don't understand what's happening.
Glad I'm not his assistant.
He looks cute. Do you know what's going on here?
I don't have a clue.
I'm kind of scared.
Maybe he doesn't have a mirror. Sometimes like some people don't have mirrors, they don't know what they look like.
Come on, Prasad, you're burning daylight.
Sorry, Mary. This is the new convention product, the really smart one.
Well, I hope it's smarter than that outfit.
Doesn't look good. No, he's like competing with me. How pathetic. It's like so lame.
Prasad! You may have just redeemed yourself. Oh, think how excited everybody's going to be when they come for convention and see.
This product is for convention only. If you do not come to convention, you will miss out on this product. It's guaranteed to be the most epic product you could possibly imagine, but again, if you don't attend convention, I guess you'll never know what might have been, and no one wants to live with regrets. Unless you're one of those people, and well, that's sad.
We need to get security up here.
Duck under the table slowly.
Okay.
Cramp, cramp.